Hey everyone! So, are your Notepad++ plugins not working properly? Maybe a plugin isn't loading, a feature stopped responding, or the plugin just disappears from the menu. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on plugins for coding or extra tools. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Notepad++ plugin not working problem in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, try restarting Notepad++. Sometimes plugins fail to load because of a temporary glitch, and restarting the application can reload them correctly. Next, make sure the plugin is compatible with your current version of Notepad++. Some plugins may stop working after software updates. Try updating the plugin to the latest version. Many plugin issues are fixed through updates. If updating doesn't work, uninstall the plugin and install it again. This can fix corrupted plugin files. Another thing you can check is the plugin folder in the Notepad++ installation directory. Sometimes plugins don't load properly if the files are missing or placed in the wrong folder. You can also try running Notepad++ as an administrator. This allows the program to load plugins without permission restrictions. And that's it. Most Notepad++ plugin problems can be fixed by restarting the app, updating the plugin, or reinstalling it. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.